Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a view of my terrace garden which we have recently set up. So this is my 1 month old broad beans plant, and now it has started giving broad beans vegetables. And we did a mixture of 30 to 70% uh, proportion of vermicompost and normal soil, and we saw a good result. And this is bottle gourd plant. So this is a creeper, and if you'll see, it has also started giving us bottle gourd vegetable. So we followed the same 30 to 70% proportion mixture of vermicompost and normal soil for it, and then we have put a net across it so that it can climb up and then it can crawl through the net. That would allow it to grow more. And this side it is beans, which is French beans. So we will go and view other plants as well, so stay tuned. This bougainvillea plant we got from nursery, and this can easily grow on a bucket size pot. So for today, enjoy watching all the plants, and in next episode I'll try to take example of one specific plant, whether bottle gourd or beans, and how to take care of it, what soil quality you need at home, and then how much time it takes to grow. So all those I'll explain. But today let's have a look of the plants what I have in my terrace garden.